Sunsets or sundown is the daily disappearance of the sun below the horizon due to the Earth's rotation. As viewed from the equator, the equinox sunset sets exactly due west in both spring and fall. But that's what Wikipedia says though. But right now, all I can show you is a beautiful sunset here in Negril, Jamaica. And I get to see sunset like this every single day. And if you want to see a sunset like this, all you have to do is take a trip, come and chill right here on the beaches of Negril, sip on a pina colada or a rum punch, and just bill, as us Jamaicans would say. Relax and enjoy the beauties and the sunsets of Jamaica.